Before we dive into this vlog, I want to take a moment to say thank you to each and every one of you for your unwavering support over these past months. Starting an apparel line and venturing into 3D printing has been a challenging yet incredible rewarding journey. From collectible models to car parts, your belief in what we do, whether through purchases or encouragement, has been the foundation that's kept us moving forward. There's one person, however, to whom I owe everything: my wife. Her unwavering support, patience, and strength have been my rock. She stood by me through the long nights, the challenges, and the chaos, and I couldn't have done this without her. I also want to give a special shout out to Fabian and Shaun, who have been working tirelessly behind the scenes to make so much of this possible. 2024 has been a tough road, filled with its share of struggles, but your belief has elevated me to new heights. While the channel took a bit of a backseat so I could focus and find my footing, 2025 is already brimming with possibilities. With Synthesis 2025 on the horizon, I can feel the momentum building. The year ahead is about expansion, innovation, and infusing fresh creativity into both the channel and these growing ventures. Together, with all of you, I know we'll make it extraordinary. Here's to perseverance, passion, and all that's still to come. Kijk hoe ze Jack Pero daar so. Hallo, hi. Ons is vandag hier with Jack Pero. They are finally putting the VVL together.
Trying since yesterday morning.
Trying since yesterday morning, but apparently Fabian took the stage. Somebody clip on the videos.
Go over
3, 2, 1, go. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
So, Fabian and Mossy raced last night.
But not with their cars.
But not with their cars. And yeah, Fabian ran a bearing.
No, he debeated his tire.
He debeated his tire and ran a bearing at the same time. But yeah, so what Shaun and Juvese is busy with here, they're busy getting the Centra up and ready to start.
Shaun and Juvese is so.
Apparently Juvese took 2 hours to find one bolt under the car yesterday. But yeah, the VVL is going to be alive soon.
Well, we hope so.
En die manne wat praat van my honde wat altyd so vuil is. Kyk die resistance kar. Dit is vol blare. Al die boom wat Juvese gerook het hier op die kar. We also need to catch up with Shaun around this car. This is a very nice setup. So. And then the VR6 engine. So Shaun kan ek die kar wys agter oor die muur. Die Mach 1. Okay, nog nie. Alright. So we'll show you guys how the car looks like when Shaun starts on that car. But just yeah, we did vlog 2 or 3 weeks ago, but it's quiet period now, guys, so we're not gonna be posting a lot of content consistently. It's festive, and there's a lot of things that needs to be done before the year is done. So from January onwards, we're gonna go full steam ahead. Content, interviews, features. Hopefully we can get the King of Slam. I don't want to jinx it, but we did say 2 years ago we're going to start King of Slam, and then everything else happened. And obviously synthesis is also going to be in the works. But yeah, I'll vlog in between as they work here. I am here for a couple of hours. But yeah, we'll catch you guys now in a bit. Intake terugzet. Sisa. Kijk zo wie zijn muscles. Man zijn triceps en biceps.
Most Christian Grey.
Christian Grey.
This Christian Grey.
Right, so Shaun is busy putting up the last bits and pieces, and then I asked him now if they can record the startup for me, because I need to leave now. Then yeah, I know we said we're gonna do like a whole build series on this, but obviously time wasn't in our favor. But yeah, the score is amper recht vir startup. Amper.
Almost. Kijk maar. Ik heb nog een boze pier.
Huh?
Hij zit op pier. Alright. Ik ben net af.
So yeah, like I've said previously, we're gonna be more consistent with the content. Like it's end of the year, so can't really shoot content during such a busy time. But I'm gonna catch you guys on the next video. Sorry for the short vlog. See you guys next time. Cheers.